Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have a piston cylinder device being compressed with gas inside. The temperature increases. Is this due to heat or is it work? So it is work. Why is it work? So the work is the piston cylinder compressing the gas, and that causes the gas molecules to be tightly packed, so it's being squeezed, and when it's being squeezed, the molecules will knock each other faster because they are in closer proximity. So that is the reason behind it. It's a little bit of a trick question because they say the temperature increases, but the reason it increases is because the work is being done. Okay, before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool on your taskbar. Click the icon. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search and type in snipping tool and then open the program. You can follow the instructions shortly if you never used it before. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Okay, so once you have it open, click on the video option, then click on new. Then left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button on snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. Since this is a made-up question, people probably won't be able to find it, so do share it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.